The answer to the previous post is C. Efflorescent. Here is all you need to know about. Efflorescent salts are crystalline deposits, often appearing as a white or grayish powder, that form on the surface of materials like brick, concrete, and plaster when water evaporates and leaves behind dissolved salts. While generally harmless, they can be an unsightly indicator of moisture problems within a building and may suggest potential structural issues if left unchecked. Here's a more detailed explanation. What are efflorescent salts? Efflorescence is the process where soluble salts within building materials or introduced by water are carried to the surface by water and then left behind when the water evaporates. These salts are typically sulfates or carbonates, such as calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, sodium sulfate, or calcium carbonate. The appearance can vary, but it's often a white or grayish powder, though it can also be yellow, brown, or green depending on the salt and surrounding chemicals. They can appear as a fine powder, sometimes fluffy or foamy, and may feel grainy or chalky to the touch. Causes of efflorescence. Water ingress, moisture from rain, leaks, or rising damp can dissolve salts within building materials. Water table, salts in the ground can be drawn up into the building through capillary action. Material composition, some construction materials naturally contain soluble salts. Improper curing, inadequate curing of concrete can lead to the formation of calcium hydroxide, which reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate, a common efflorescent salt. Dampness, moisture is the key factor in transporting the salts to the surface where they can crystallize. Where are they found? Efflorescence is commonly found on brickwork, concrete, and masonry, but can also appear on plaster and other porous materials. It often appears near areas where dampness is present, such as near foundations, around windows, or where there are leaks. Impact of efflorescence. Aesthetic concerns, efflorescence can be unsightly and detract from the appearance of buildings. Potential damage, while generally not structurally damaging, efflorescence can cause paint and wallpaper to peel or blister. Indicator of moisture, the presence of efflorescence often indicates a moisture problem within the building, which should be addressed to prevent further issues. Structural weakening, in some cases, repeated cycles of salt crystallization and dissolution can lead to the breakdown of mortar and the blowing or cracking of brick and block work. Addressing efflorescence. Identify and fix moisture source. The most important step is to identify and eliminate the source of moisture that is causing the efflorescence. Dry brushing, remove loose salt deposits by dry brushing with a stiff brush. Cleaning, clean the affected area with a mild solution of vinegar and water or a specialized efflorescence cleaner, followed by rinsing and drying. Sealing, applying a sealant can help prevent future efflorescence, especially in areas prone to moisture. Professional help, for severe cases or persistent problems, consider consulting with a damp specialist or contractor.
Don't forget to follow us for more video.